Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. You are safe at your home. Children, we have done our 3 topics. Now we'll start our 4th topic, that is coding and decoding. Coding, what is coding? Coding means to hide the meaning of any message. If I want to convey my message to one of you, I will hide the meaning. I will code it so that only the person to whom I am sending, only he can understand the message. All other did not recognize what I have sent, what I want to say to them. And decoding means to understand the actual meaning of the message. Coding means to code something so that we can send that message to a particular person to whom we can trust, to whom we want to share a message. And decoding means the person who is getting the message can able to decode the message and understand what is hidden inside this message. Children, in the questions based on coding and decoding, a basic word is coded into a particular way and the candidate are asked to code other word in the same way. We have coded something, for example, I have coded my name in some way and I want to code you to code your name in same that way. If I have given numbers to my alphabets in my name, you have to do the same with your name. To solve the question based on coding and decoding, first of all, it is necessary to remember the position of letters in English alphabetical order. If I am coding alphabets, then first thing you have to do in this is that you should know at which place your alphabets are coming. For example, A at 1, B at 2, C at 3. We have given numbers to each alphabet. We have 26 alphabets and we have given number to each alphabet. You have to learn at which position your H will come, your Q will come, your L will come. You have to learn it so that you can easily decode the code which is provided to you. For example, here I am coding these alphabets in forward direction. I am coding them like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. I have coded them in forward direction. You have also to code them in backward direction. Like this. We have coded them in both the direction so that if a message come to us in this hidden pattern, we can easily able to recognize the message. You have to learn this coding because you have very short time limit in your exam. If you remember them, you learned them, you can easily solve your questions. बच्चे, basically the coding and decoding is divided into 2 types, that is letter coding and number coding. In letter coding, what will happen, we deal with the questions in which the letters of words are replaced by certain other letters according to specific pattern or rule form a code. You are required to detect the coding pattern, rule and answer the questions that are asked based on coding pattern or coding rule. For example, here brinjal, BRINJAL is given to you. You have to find out how it is coded and we get this. Look, nothing is done. The reverse order of letters is written. Only the word which is given to us is written in reverse order. Now next question is if SOBER, sober is written as RNADO. If we can replace sober by this, how can we replace lotus? What we will write in the place of lotus? How can you replace lotus if you can replace sober like this? Now you have to notice this pattern now. Search for sob. S. S is here. In place of S, R is written there. One number before. Next is O. And N is written there. Again one number before. Then B is there. And A is written for it. That means one number before. E is there and D is written for the E. Again R is there. And Q is written for that. That means now one letter before is written. Now we have lotus. Search for L. We can write K for L. K O N T S U T S R, which is our correct answer. बच्चे फॉर सोबर एस के लिए पिछला वाला लेटर लिखा गया, ओ के लिए उससे पिछला, बी के लिए उससे पिछला, वैसे ही हमने लोटस में भी एल के पिछला वाला, ओ से पहले आने वाला, टी से पहले आने वाला सब लेटर्स लिखे और हमारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया. नेक्स्ट इज अ नंबर कोडिंग. इन दिस type of coding we deal with the question which numerical codes and values are assigned or alphabets according to predefined patterns. Candidates are required to identify the numbers pattern of coding so that given word can be transferred in the same code. For example, for man, if we are writing this number, what number will you write for time? But you look, M is at 13. Here 13 is written for M. A is at 1. 1 is written for A. N is at 14. Now we have to find out the number for time. T is at 20. I is at 9. M is at 13 again. E is at 5. This is our answer. This is the way how can we decode the given codes. I hope you understood. Please write neatly on your notebooks.